Something to think about when you're incorporating a wet bar into your finished basement or anywhere that you're remodeling. A lot of times clients aren't sure if they want to do a full beverage fridge or one that is under the counter. And one thing I will say personally, we did under the counter and I do regret it. I wish we would have done a full size fridge. It's really nice to be able to separate your alcohol versus your non-alcohol, your waters, your mocktails, and also to have an ice maker. I so wish we had an ice maker. It's yummy little ice cubes.